All right, so if you're using HubSpot CRM and you want to clearly track your sales performance, this guide is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to monitor deals, revenue, and sales activity in HubSpot step by step. Yeah, without overcomplicating anything. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside, head over to the top menu and click on Sales. From the dropdown, choose Sales Dashboard. This is where most of your performance data lives. Now take a look at the Deal Performance section. Here you can see how many deals are open, won, or lost, along with the total deal value. This gives you a quick snapshot of how your sales pipeline is actually performing. Next up, revenue tracking. Scroll down and you'll see reports that show revenue over time. You can switch between weekly, monthly, or quarterly views to understand trends and spot growth or drops early. To go a bit deeper, check the sales activity reports. These show things like calls made, emails sent, meetings booked, and tasks completed. So, yeah, this helps you connect sales effort with actual results. If you're managing a team, you can filter these reports by individual sales reps or by team. This makes it way easier to compare performance and see who might need support or who's absolutely crushing it. And finally, you can customize or export these reports, adjust filters, change visual styles, or export the data if you need it for meetings or presentations. That extra layer of insight. And that's it. That's how you track sales performance in HubSpot CRM, from deals and revenue to activities and team performance. Once you check these dashboards regularly, you'll always know exactly where your sales stand. Hello, everyone.